Not the kind of news you like to hear, much less like to hear during the holidays.
That's right. Flu cases are on the rise, and that is not all. Health officials are warning everyone to take precautions. 16 WAPT Scott Simmons live at 5 outside Baptist Hospital with more. Scott?
Yeah, Baptist Health System says they are seeing an increase in flu cases. In other words, in fact, they've had almost 200 flu cases at this location just since October, but the rise is not just in Mississippi, but across the nation. Now doctors are talking more about the reality of that triple-demic, RSV, flu, and COVID, and it appears to be taking shape. At Jackson Hines Comprehensive Health Center, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Rosie Walker McNair says they are seeing more patients.
We are dealing with some flu cases. We're also dealing with some unknown viral infections that are not necessarily the flu.
It is a trend being measured both nationwide and in the state of Mississippi. The state health department says flu cases are up almost 7% from a year ago, and the weekly cases have tracked north of 15,000 flu cases each week, and the holiday period is expected to send those numbers higher.
That's when we're expecting to see the number really go up, is after the holidays, everybody go home and get together.
And it's not just the flu; it's all of the things are kind of running really high. We've been worried about that triple-demic that people have talked about with RSV, flu, and COVID.
Infectious disease specialist Dr. Steve Threlkeld with Baptist Memorial Healthcare says while the COVID case numbers are not as high as just a couple of years ago, they are still trending higher, compounding the problem of the holiday season where more people will travel and spread various viruses.
I'm seeing all three in pretty large numbers. A couple people hospitalized with RSV or respiratory syncytial virus, not as commonly a severe illness in adults as it is in young kids. But I have several people who are immunosuppressed and who have impaired immune systems, and they can get quite sick with it. So we do see those. The COVID is at a really high level right now.
And doctors are referring to that vaccine fatigue because so many people are tired of getting their vaccinations during the COVID pandemic that it's lessening those who are taking them now. And it's a bad time as we move into the holiday season because they say it's after Christmas when the flu cases start to really rise. They say getting a vaccination now could, at the very least, lessen the impact of having that virus. We're live in Jackson. Scott Simmons, 16 WAPT News.
All right, Scott, thanks.